In 2014, an administrative regional court in Latvia ordered a Russian citizen to request asylum in 2014. A series of Russian citizens sought asylum in Baltic country on the grounds that Moscow opposed war against Ukraine. It was reported that the Russian citizen was born in Latvia and has lived in Ukraine since 1997. But according to him, Ukraine could not get citizenship. The man participated the Donbas Battalion in 2014, spent 1.5 front of a month half. After dismissal of pro-Russian President Viktor Yanukovic, Euroidan Revolution started his aggression against Ukraine by invading Crimea in beginning of 2014 and initiating hostilities in Donetsk and Luhansk Oblasts. Donbas Battalion was founded to fight Russian power of attorney forces in Donetsk Oblast. A independent unit was completely integrated into the Ukraine National Guards. Delfi reported that man had clearly refrained about the participation of hostilities in order not to attract attention of Russian intelligence services. The Ukrainian State was simplified in 2019. The acquisition of citizenship for foreign nationals and stateless people who fought for Ukraine. Yasasa waived necessity of living on the territory of country and speaking Ukraine for 5 years. Foreigners who apply to the Ukrainian passport should give up their original citizenship because Ukraine does not recognize more than one citizenship. Between March 1, 2022 and the 31st of October 2023, 970 Russian citizens and 120 Belarusian were given Ukrainian citizenship on various reasons. When man tried get Ukrainian citizenship before beginning of full-scale occupation, Ukrainian authorities were told to solve all formalities. Russian Consulate Department in occupied Crimea. The Russian citizen, who was afraid of his life, did not go to the occupied peninsula. According to Delfi, the man's Russian passport was destroyed during the ING. After the full-scale occupation began, the man went to Latvia through asylum seeking Poland with his wife and children. Initially, it was requested by the Citizenship and Migration Office, which pointed out that it served in a Ukrainian volunteer unit. Later, Russian citizen applied to the court that supports case. Counting judges lost their desire to maintain their ties with Russia. Mahkeme also said that the Ukrainian nationalist political group, called pro-extremes in Russia, and thus pose an additional threat to him. Delfi said that the Latvian State Security Service did not reveal any information that would prevent the man from receiving refugee status. Read also Putin threatens Latvia with consequences on Russian minority policies.